This ceremony is not about creating a bond, because that bond already exists. It's about recognizing and honoring it. Justin and Emily stand before you to declare openly what has long been true in their hearts, that they have chosen each other freely and fully for this life and for many seasons to come. Relationships thrive not just on grand gestures, but on small shared moments, a good drink at a favorite spot, a quiet morning on the lake, or just laughing at one of Justin's bad jokes. For Justin and Emily, life together will be a mix of adventures and everyday routines. Some days will be like fireworks, others perhaps a bit more mundane, but every day will be yours to share.
I choose you, Emily, to be my person.
I promise to laugh with you when life is funny,
I promise to laugh with you when life is funny,
to be patient when the line gets tangled,
to be patient when the line gets tangled,
and to celebrate every catch, big or small.
and to celebrate every catch, big or small.
From Kensington Park to the zoo lights,
From Kensington Park to the zoo lights,
I choose you for all of life's adventures.
I choose you for all of life's adventures.
I choose you, Justin, to be my person.
I promise to laugh with you when life is funny,
I promise to laugh with you when life is funny,
to be patient with you when the line gets tangled,
to be patient with you when the line gets tangled,
To celebrate every catch, big or small.
And to celebrate every catch, big or small.
From Kensington Park to the Zoo Lights.
From Kensington Park to the Zoo Lights.
I choose you for all of life's adventures.
I choose you for all of life's adventures.
Emily, my sister, introducing me to my future husband, your brother Chris and his wife Nicole. You made her into my sister now too. Justin's brother Matt and his girlfriend Paige, another sister who Emily has brought right in. Everyone the two of you have gathered here today is a testament to the power and generosity of your love. To the best friend love that turns into family love and the family love that extends to everybody. This was a really good start, you guys. Cheers.
Kids came over, Emily and Justin, and we made us dinner just to see the two cooperate and work and anticipate each other's movements. It was just harmonious, and I remember even taking a picture because it was just something that it's hard to describe. It was just a beautiful moment, and I only wish that you'll always have that moment, that beautiful moment. You guys are good together. You guys balance each other out beautifully. And I'm happy for both of you. And I hope that you always have that moment.
Stay true to who you guys are. You guys are always going to love each other, and that's one thing that makes you guys special. I'm sure that Justin makes you a better person, but I did not know you before you two met. But I can absolutely say that you make him better. Since you came into his life, the amount of maturing and growth he's been through has been inspiring. I am genuinely proud of Justin for becoming the man he is today.
May the days, months, and years ahead be filled with love and joy. May your love continue to grow each day, even on the days that seem like too much. I love both of you so much, and Em, this one time, I'm absolutely thrilled that you got your way. Cheers.
I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may seal your vows with a kiss.